we're back in one of the kitchens and I have three ceramic knives. They're very dull and I'm going to show you how to sharpen them. This is a pair of Kevlar gloves. Highly recommend you get yourself some cut resistant gloves when you're working with sharpening knives and things like that. Tools, biking, hobbies, crafts, whatever you do, safety feature. Okay? So right now I want to show you, here's a piece of very heavy-duty cardboard, and let's take a look here. These are the knives we're going to try to cut through the cardboard here. Okay, it's cutting, but there's a little bit of difficulty. All right, number one. And number two, it's a Kyocera. Same thing, it's cutting a little bit easier, still a little resistance. Number three, it's a small Kyocera. Wow, really, really dull. Okay, I'm going to be back with that cardboard in just a minute. So this is really, really simple. This is a diamond file. They're in stock at your sponsor. This is the rest for it. That's it. You take these knives, move them out of the way here one by one, and you put them in the rest like this. You take the file and you hold it from the heel to the tip. This particular knife's shaped unusual, so you might have to move it a little bit, but that's it. From the heel to the tip, and you go down like this. Okay, back and forth. Repeat on the other side. Flip it over. The rest gives you the right angle. Same deal, from the heel to the tip. It's difficult for me because I'm trying to stay in the view of the camera as well. But anyway, same deal here. Heel to the tip. All you're doing is cutting a new V at the bottom edge of this knife. Okay, now you're wondering if this is sharp, right? Back to the cardboard. Here we go. This is 2 layers of very thick cardboard, by the way. It's definitely sharper. Okay. Moving on to the next one. Kyocera. Same deal. Heel to the tip. Keeping this file level. A little wiggle on the knife, that's okay. Still getting the right effect. Flip it over and repeat. Okay, you can see a little bit of the particle coming off here, a little bit of the ceramic particles. Okay, let's check it here on the box. Oh yeah, quite a bit sharper. Moving on to the small one. Small one, same deal. You want to get it in the rest. You just want the right angle. Heel to the tip. That little tip's going to be tricky there. You need this special diamond file and you need the rest. Without the 2 of these, you won't accomplish the correct angle of what you're trying to do. Alright, here you go. Definitely much sharper than it was. This one is the least sharp out of the 3, but that's okay. This is my favorite, by the way. That's it. All the items are in stock at your sponsor. Everything you see in the videos, the cutting boards, the ceramic knives, the sharpeners, you name it, chefdepot.com. Cook like a chef, keep cooking, subscribe, tell your friends, and please support your sponsor. Have a wonderful day.